Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is October 21st, 2025, and we're diving into GLXY's third quarter financial results. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. GLXY has reported some impressive numbers this quarter, and I'm excited to break them down with you.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. GLXY reported a net income of $505 million for Q3 2025, with an adjusted EPS of $1.12. This is significantly higher than the forecasted EPS of 38 cents. John, what drove this performance?
GLXY's performance was primarily driven by their digital assets segment, which generated an adjusted gross profit of $318 million. The company also reported an adjusted EBITDA of $629 million, thanks to record results in their digital assets operating business and gains on digital asset and investment positions.
That's impressive. It seems like their strategic focus on digital assets is paying off.
Absolutely. The digital asset trading volumes were up 140% compared to the previous quarter, reflecting increased spot and derivatives activity.
Strategic initiatives and corporate updates. GLXY has been busy with strategic initiatives. Can you tell us more about the launch of GLXY and the recent equity investment?
GLXY is a new financial technology platform that provides US-based individual investors access to high-yield cash, cryptocurrencies, and equities trading. Additionally, GLXY secured a $460 million equity investment from a major asset manager, which will help fund the Helios data center campus and support general corporate purposes.
And speaking of the Helios data center, they've secured significant financing for it, right?
Yes, they secured a $1.4 billion project financing facility, fully funding the $1.7 billion Phase 1 build at Helios. This positions GLXY as a leader in data center infrastructure for AI and high-performance computing.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Let's talk about GLXY's operational efficiencies and future outlook. What are the key highlights here?
GLXY's total assets increased to $11.5 billion, with $1.9 billion in cash and stablecoins. They also reported $9 billion in assets under management and $6.6 billion in assets under stake. This growth is supported by strong organic growth and new multi-year mandates from digital asset treasury companies.
It sounds like GLXY is well-positioned for future growth.
Indeed, their strategic investments and focus on digital assets and data center infrastructure are setting them up for continued success.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. John, let's discuss the EPS forecast. Analysts were expecting an EPS of 38 cents, but GLXY reported an adjusted EPS of $1.12. What does this mean for investors?
This is a significant beat. The actual adjusted EPS of $1.12 far exceeded the forecast, which was based on a survey of just one analyst. This indicates that GLXY's performance was much stronger than anticipated, which is a positive signal for investors.
Such a strong performance could boost investor confidence in GLXY's future prospects.
Absolutely. It shows that GLXY is effectively executing its strategy and capitalizing on market opportunities.
Key takeaways. In summary, GLXY has delivered an outstanding performance in Q3 2025, with significant growth in net income and adjusted EPS. Their strategic initiatives and focus on digital assets and data center infrastructure are driving this success. John, any final thoughts?
GLXY's ability to exceed expectations and secure strategic investments positions them well for future growth. Investors should keep an eye on their continued expansion in digital assets and data center capabilities.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Galaxy's performance in the comments below.